So, welcome to outing channel. I'm in Davao. Yes, these are the street of Davao. You heard me right. Davao is very safe. I'm in Miniforest, the Miniforest of Davao. I'm feeling quite safe here. If you're Muslim, you should especially come here in the Davao Miniforest. So, I'm gonna Malabang Muslim Eatery. Yes, that Malabang Muslim Eatery, and then I'm gonna eat something. There's some good food here. It looks quite delicious. MashaAllah. And I think I can saw some piaparan, some fish, some tilapia. What do you wanna eat, Hannah? What is this? What do you want?
Kind of jackfruit. Jackfruit.
Jackfruit. Oh, okay. Any other chicken? What is this?
I can explain it.
And this noodle? Should we take? Come.
Andi ada sini.
So there's a lot of. This one is some kind of chicken with jackfruit. I don't know what's this. This seems like. I don't want to eat Hannah, this one. You eat. Okay. And get some drinks. ये अपन को पता नहीं इनका खाना है. Mountain Dew 5. तो कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा अपन यहाँ पे खाएगा क्या. Hannah, buy take something else for us. I don't know. Take anything, Hannah. Or just take this piaparan, is okay. Nurjana, this one. Take. Come. Why is sitting there? Come here. Huh? First, Nurjana, which one you want?
Yeah. Yeah, phone. And you?
You also buy get something what you want.
This for me. This one for you.
Okay, you just get whatever you like. Lord Celine, take something. Take. I mean, get something more. It's okay.
You want something hot or?
It's okay, this one fine. We will eat Jollibee later then. तो ये खाना है, ये चावल है, और ये कोकोनट मिल्क में चिकन है, और ये करी चिकन है. So these are plain rice. This is the chicken in the coconut gravy, and this one is in the regular spicy gravy. So shall we start eating?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started eating. So I have finished. This one is the egg fish, or the chicken. This is egg fish curry. But personally, I don't like it, to be honest with you. I like this chicken curry. This one is like in coconut milk.
Chicken adobo.
Chicken adobo. I personally like chicken adobo more than the egg fish curry. I think the chicken adobo was much better and much delicious compared to the, egg fish. My wife like egg fish, but I'm sorry I can't like it. Next time I will be thinking to get the piaparan, much better, inshallah. And still my brother and sister-in-law are eating. So I finished my meal. So now I'm going to go on my next trip. So this is the Halal Muslim Eatery here. So the name is called, let me see, the name is called Malabang Muslim Eatery. Malabang Muslim Eatery, we are at Malabang Muslim Eatery, and I liked it. I enjoyed the meal. I do not like the egg fish. Personally, I like the chicken adobo. It's a Moroccan style chicken adobo, and it's quite delicious.